Hey there, if you are a president or board member of an HOA, or if you're a property manager, I want to talk to you today about the Ixora NORA grant. I hear all the time, my Ixoras are old, they got spots on them, they're turning black. I think they just need to replace, they got to go. That's not necessarily the case. What I see is they're being over trimmed. Everybody wants their hedge to look like a perfect square. The thing is, with these Ixoras, if you can do a hard cut, okay, cut them back, but you have to wait 90 days. You see this here? This is all this nice new light green growth. You can see the older, darker growth down here. Once you do a hard cut, you're gonna get a little new growth pop up. You have to let that fully develop. Plants take in through their leaves sunlight for sugar and carbohydrates. If you cut that off right away, it's got no way to bring in all those nutrients. What happens next? You get spots, you get pests, you get bugs, you get fungus. Trim them hard, fertilize them, mulch them, leave them alone for 90 days. They'll pop up like this. You'll get these beautiful flowers. You don't need to replace your Ixoras 9 times out of 10. Next video, look out for, is mulch worth the money?